Hey guys, Amy with mycouponingbuddy.com. I was going to do this breakdown in store, but I forgot my phone at home. What an idiot. I was so lost. Okay, there is an awesome Airwick deal going on right now, and I wanted to do a separate video for that so you can all see the coupons reset this morning. They came out yesterday. If you got 2 prints, you can get 2 more prints this morning. Airwick twin refills are on sale BOGO right now at Publix for $5.49. So you buy 2, it comes to $5.49. There is a $5.50 off any 2 printable coupon. I'm going to put the link below in the video description or above if you're watching on Facebook. Buy 2 at $5.49. Click the link, print 1 of the coupon for $5.50 off. Both will be free. Then additionally, there is another coupon for $3 off any Airwick starter kit. These guys right here, and they are regular price $3.29. So you buy one at $3.29, click the link, print the coupon, get $3 off, pay just 29 cents for the starter kit. Everybody's house is going to be smelling good soon. So you can print 2 coupons per device. Had a lot of questions about that. I'm going to show you guys how it goes. I don't know why coupons.com changed this, but you got to click see all print coupons. Okay, see, I have printed 2 of this coupon, so it says limit reached. So to print a coupon twice, you click on the coupon. It should come up pre-clipped if you're clicking on my link. Hit the print button. You're going to print the coupon. Then do not change that copy code. Then the little guy's going to run and print. Then go back to the link that you found the coupon at. Click it again. And the coupon will come up again. Hit print again. I had already printed my max, so I'm showing you with a coupon that's not in the link. Hit print again, and you're going to print it again. Do not, I'll show you when it comes up. Do not change this copy code right here. I have it to save to PDF. Do not change this copy code right here to multiple copies. That is the same as copying a coupon. It's coupon fraud. You don't want to do that. You only can print 1 copy of a coupon. This number right here is a unique number, and it will generate a new number each time you print the coupon. If you change this copy code here, it's not going to change this number, and it's a copy of the coupon. It's the same as putting it on the copy machine and hitting 5 copies print. To generate a new coupon with a new unique number, you need to go back to the link and hit print again. After you've printed it twice, it will say limit reached, like it did on that coupon that I had. When a coupon resets, it doesn't say limit reached anymore. You can print 2 more of the same coupon. So it was the 1st of the month last night, so a lot of coupons reset. So if you had reached your limit previously on a printable coupon, go in and check on coupons.com, because a lot of them don't say limit reached anymore because they reset last night because it was the 1st of the month. If you guys have any questions, please post them below. I'm happy to answer them. Happy couponing.